Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be replacing the upper dash. As you can see, this is an aftermarket that I bought a few years back, but it didn't withstand the heat here in Houston. As you can see, my dashboard's cracked. So I got some JB Weld plastic mixture of cement. So, as you can see right here. So I'm gonna have an idea what I'm gonna do with this upper dash. So this here has the indentations for the pillar plastics. Okay, let's get going. All right, guys, I got these dashboard already. So this is supposed to be the I guess a cap. This was I got this a few years back, like I mentioned earlier, and it's supposed to be more like the original, but as you guys saw, it warped. So I already test fitted this one here, and it looks looks good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put double-sided tape here all the way to the end, and because on this side it holds, because it kind of goes into the windshield and the body on this side here, this little, I want to say about half an inch. So but it looks good with the test fit. It looks a lot better than the way this one looked, all warped. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna lay down the I'm just gonna lay down a line like this of those double-sided tape, so we can go along this groove here. As you can see, I might not be able to see. Let me see. Excuse the noise. I have a crew here. I'm gonna clean this up, but before that I'm gonna try to take care of this crack here. Put some JB Weld or something, and but yeah, so I'm gonna clean this up. But in regards to the this year, the only difference is this pad foam that's in this year. So I mean, once I put it in with the double-sided tape, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And it is Chinese. This one's supposedly made here in the States. And the material on this one is a lot thicker than this one here. So let me turn it. Here's how it looks here. And the way this one looks. Alright, and it comes with the glue. So on this, the old one, the new one doesn't have this here for the pillar plastics. This is how that one looks. And the way this one looks, I actually like this one. It looks more original, because I know the original one, the GM looked somewhat. This is a little bit more flimsy, as you can see. Let's see how it holds to the heat.
Jessica, can you move it?
You can see the thickness of it. All right, guys. Okay, I got the JB Weld Marine, the Marine type. So, okay, this is not the final. This is the rough. So, let's see. So it sets in 5 minutes. It's still kind of tacky, but yeah, I'm gonna sand it down. It's sandable, so get that hello crack there too, and right here. So And then I'm gonna, once I sand it, I'm gonna paint it. That dark gray. I'm kind of thinking about painting the upper dash, but we'll see. I just didn't like this crack here at all, so I'm sure I can get it pretty close to matching. It's not black, but it's real dark gray. So I'm gonna sand that down, then I'm gonna paint it. Okay. So as far as the upper dash, okay. So I test fitted it. It's perfect. I'm kind of thinking about adding some of this foam. I have some from another project that I did, just in case if it starts to rattle. So these are actually pretty sticky, so I might add those on. Let me see. These little pieces, it looks like they're just glue. I might use those. So they're just glued to the dashboard. So I might use that. But if you just buy the, I bought this off of eBay. So this one I paid like 240 bucks. Can't remember the website. I was looking for it a few days ago when I ordered the one from the eBay, but I couldn't find it. Supposedly you're supposed to glue this one onto whatever you have left of the original one, but mine's long gone, so this is the aftermarket. They're supposed to replace the original one. So, but yeah, so right now I'm taking care of that. Once it dries up, then I'm gonna sand it down and paint it. So, okay. All right, guys, this is how it looks. So I'll dry it up. Okay, did this yesterday. I already sanded it down. 320 grit. Okay, I'll show you once it's all sanded. All right, guys, check it out. Okay, I did as best I could, you know. Came out all right, I guess you could say that, but it's, I mean, there's really nothing you can do with these dashboards. I put that JB weld, trying to sand it down as much as I could, but it was already coming out apart. Now I let it dry for a few days. This is the area. I mean, it looks a lot better. You know, I was thinking about buying a new dashboard, but, well, not a new one, but one from the junkyard, but they're a pain in the butt to remove. So I really don't have that much time in my hands. But yeah, it looks okay. What do you guys think? And this is supposed to be a cap. It's actually just sitting on top of that. It's not really being held by anything, but only by these here. Well, on this side. The other side is, it's not, but I mean, I like it. Looks better than the other one. So let's see how long it holds up with this heat. So this here, oh, actually I painted it. I painted this area here and I kind of blended it in. I mean, it's pretty close to the original color. It looks real good, or at least from my end of the line. But anyway, let's see how it looks from the top. Oh, all right, this is another angle from the passenger side. This is the dash cap, as you can see. I mean, it's not really noticeable. It looks a lot better with the big old crack. I know I could have done a better job, but what do you guys think? And for the top, I used this color from O'Reilly's. I think it's called charcoal spray can, and I just kind of sprayed it, like kind of blended it in a little bit. So this will be the view if I was on the passenger side. And this will be the view if I was the driver's side. I think I'm gonna have to put some more 3M here, double-sided tape, just to keep it down and so it won't warp with the heat. This Texas heat is no joke. I'm also gonna try to get these. I've seen these on Amazon. These are the only two that are not broken. But I think I can live with that. But anyway, what you guys think? For those of you that follow me for the Firebird. Anyway, all right guys, well, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and click on your notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.